Which natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in high-latitude regions, is caused by solar wind disturbing the magnetosphere? The answer is Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights. Auroras also occur on other planets like Jupiter and Saturn, where they are even more powerful than on Earth. What is the name of the phenomenon where living organisms like jellyfish or plankton produce and emit light? The answer is bioluminescence. Over 90% of deep-sea creatures are bioluminescent, using light to hunt, find mates, or scare off predators in the pitch-black ocean. Which prehistoric monument in England consists of a ring of standing stones, each around 13 feet high and weighing 25 tons? The answer is Stonehenge. Some of the smaller, blue stones used in Stonehenge were transported from over 150 miles away in Wales. On which two giant planets in our solar system is it believed to literally rain diamonds due to extreme atmospheric pressure? The answer is Saturn and Neptune. On these planets, lightning turns methane into soot, carbon, which hardens into graphite and then diamonds as it falls. What is the name of the world's largest lizard, which can grow up to 10 feet long and has a venomous bite? The answer is Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons can eat up to 80% of their body weight in a single meal and have a highly developed sense of smell. Which ancient library in Egypt was one of the largest and most significant libraries of the ancient world before it was tragically destroyed? The answer is Library of Alexandria. It was part of a larger research institution called the Mausoleum, where many famous Greek scholars studied. What is the largest organ in the human body, serving as a protective barrier and helping regulate temperature? The answer is skin. An average adult carries about 8 pounds of skin, and it completely regenerates itself approximately every 27 days. Which ship, known as the Unsinkable, tragically sunk on its maiden voyage in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? The answer is RMS Titanic. The wreck of the Titanic lies 12,500 feet below the ocean surface and was only discovered in 1985. What is the name of the world's largest active volcano, located on the island of Hawaii? The answer is Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa is so massive that it actually depresses the Earth's crust beneath it by several kilometers. Which orbiting laboratory has been continuously occupied by humans since November 2000 and travels at 17,500 miles per hour? The answer is International Space Station, ISS. The ISS is roughly the size of a football field and completes an orbit of the Earth every 90 minutes.